In this video, we will look at an example of marketing and the 4 Ps. Let's imagine a new cold drink called Cool Pop. It's designed especially for learners and will be sold at school tuck shops. That means the marketing team needs to make sure it appeals to learners like you. First, they find out what learners enjoy in a cool drink. That is the product. Then they choose a price that learners can afford. That's the price. They make sure it's available at school tuck shops where learners can easily buy it. That is the place. And finally, they create a fun TikTok video to grab attention and spread the word. That's the promotion. These 4 Ps, product, price, place, and promotion, work together to help Cool Pop reach its target market and become a school day favorite.
And that's a wrap on today's fascinating journey through the world of knowledge. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of curious minds. We can't wait to embark on new educational adventures together.